today video, it's all about sustainability. And you know what? Sustainability is all made from recyclable materials. And I got a story to tell you. Are you guys excited? I'm so excited. So there you go. I got shoes from Vivaia. Yay! So Vivaia is made from recyclable materials, and they got shoes, clothes, and some bags. So let's go. Let's unbox these wonderful shoes. Let's go. Now let's start the unboxing. I'm so excited to wear it and I keep smiling. There you go. So there you go, mga Bakulaw. That is from Vivaia. Thank you, Vivaia, for trusting me, and all made from recyclable materials. I told you, mga Bakulaw, this is wonderful and this is so amazing because you help the whole world and that is comfortable as well. So let's go. Let's continue unboxing, mga Bakulaw. Yay! Thank you. Thank you, Vivaia. Look at this, mga Bakulaw. That is my shoes from Vivaia. It's so wonderful. See how so good. How you can imagine this is all recyclable materials. Wow. This is the other one. That is the white one. Look. Thank you, Vivaia. Thank you so much for trusting me. Wow, it's so good shoes. Look. Oh, yes. Lovely. Thank you. Yeah, so let's go. Let's wear it now. Straight away. Thank you. Bakulaw. So now we are here in a Sustainability Expo 2020. And all product here is from Save from the Earth and all the recycling. So let's go. I really love my shoes, and look at this. I'm so comfortable the way I walk and the way I wear it. It's really amazing. Let's try these shoes. Yay! What are you waiting for? Let's buy these shoes. It's so amazing, comfortable from Vivaia. Yeah. So there you go, mga Bakulaw. We are here now to Sustainability Pavilion. Even I'm pregnant, I can wear these lovely boots and I feel like I didn't wear anything. So it's really comfortable to my feet, and you will love this one because you know what? This is recyclable materials. How you can imagine this? See? It's amazing. Thank you so much. Bakulaw, we are now here in Sustainability Pavilion, and as you can see, my shoes is all recyclable. If you want to get my boots, even you're pregnant, get and go to my code, and then you will get 20% whatever shoes or bag, clothes, whatever you want. Let's go! So hello, mga Bakulaw. We are now in Expo 2020, and you know what? I'm wearing my boots on. So there you go. As you can see, mga Bakulaw, even I'm pregnant, I can wear these comfortable and recyclable, sustainable shoes, my boots. So let's go. We are now here in Brazil, and let's go inside. See, mga Bakulaw, it's so amazing here. Wow. I think I need to take a bath there in the swim. That's the one. Wow, lovely. Let's go. So now we are in a Sweden pavilion. There you go. Wow. Oh no. So that's the one, mga Bakulaw. You can see that is Sweden forest. it's post only in the Philippines. There you go. Here we go. Let's go here. There's a lot of stuff. Wow, look at this. This is so wonderful. It's look like ice to me, this old building. Wow, this is so good. The Sweden pavilion is so amazing. Thank you, Expo 2020. And I will tour you more about Expo 2020. You can see the sustainability pavilion. So look at this. Wow, they're so big. And you know what? You cannot imagine, this is all recyclable materials. There you go. Wow, it's so good and so refreshing. Bakulaw, now I wear my second shoes. So this is rubber shoes and it's really comfortable to my feet and it's amazing to dance because I will show you the dance move now. So I'm wearing the rubber shoes now and I feel I just go to them and join them to dance because I really love dancing as well. So there you go, as you can see. Yeah, Friday, I love it. Thank you so much, Vivaia, for my wonderful shoes. It's really amazing and I can't really imagine how good it is, and it's recyclable, all materials. Wow, you're so amazing, guys. Thank you, Vivaia. And go, let's more dance. Yes. I really love dancing. Yeah. So, you know, when I watch them dancing, I'm dancing to behind or on the left or right side. There you go. Yes. Yo, dance with my rubber shoes from Vivaia. Feel I would break dance too because of the rubber shoes that you give it to me, Vivaia. It's so amazing, really comfortable, even I'm pregnant. Wow, how good it is. Let's dance again. We are here in Vivaia Pavilion. And you will see a beautiful Terra Sustainability Pavilion. Yeah, it's really important to wear it and to dancing with them. So let's go. Let's explore to the Sustainability Pavilion here in Dubai, UAE. So now I'm walking with my second shoes and this is my rubber shoes. So if you want to get 20% off, you can have my code MC and you will get whatever you want. They got shoes, clothes, and some bag. You will get 20% off. Let's go!